for staying tuned on Smart 24 with the business. My name is Anthony, and I am your host for Financial Markets. Another reminder, just to you, our dear viewer, that you can now buy stocks, bonds, you can buy bills at the convenience of your phone without need to access the internet. And this is under the Zabu initiative that was initiated by Altex East Africa, and of course Altex together with Altex Clearing, which are of course companies that have specialized in trading in securities with diversified products like the exchange traded fund and other couple of products that they are able to sell. Now you can dial *292# using your MTN line, and then you will be able to access information regarding the stocks and other securities around East Africa and be able to trade across borders at the convenience of your phone, whether smartphone, small phone, without need to go net. And you do this without an intermediate. This is the beauty of Altex East Africa. They're saying you can actually be able to use your phone without internet and be able to buy some of these stocks that we are talking about here. And this is the convenience, of course, they're bringing on board. For more information, of course, you can visit their website at Altex East Africa, and you can learn more about what they do. But remember, dial be able to listen to the facts behind some of the figures we see in the financial results of the year 21. Of course, giving accountability to their shareholders and also looking for a way forward. They also dividend amount of about 25 billion shillings that they're going to put up for approval by shareholders on that very day, and definitely don't want to miss out on voting on that as well. American Tobacco didn't trade any volumes yesterday. That's British Batu, and we are seeing at 15,000 shillings. You can access right now a share, and the price has not changed over the past 24 hours and as well. Centum Investment, like we mentioned, was one of the losers at 311.5. That's the trading price, and that is after a loss of about 2.03 Ugandan shillings on the market yesterday. Cipla Quality Chemicals, the only pharmaceutical company that is listed on the bourse actually traded at 69 Ugandan shilling. Have any price movements? And there was no volume as well for Cipla Quality Chemicals Industries there for you. And also we note that Cipla recently, about 2 months ago, released their result, return to profitability since their listing on the exchange. The very first time, Cipla, for the very first time, said profits. And we are seeing that probably the company will make more profits even this year. And they expect an anti-cancer drug unit, and definitely more of that action. Cipla Quality Chemicals is one of the companies that is leading in terms of pharmaceuticals in not only East Africa but on the globe as well. Of course, with a partnership between Cipla India and Uganda Quality Chemicals, which is a company that, of course, is originally here in Uganda. They formed Cipla Quality Chemicals, and they make or manufacture drugs like anti-malarials and anti-HIV drugs. It is listed on the Uganda Securities Exchange since September 2018, about 5 years ago right now. And Cipla Quality Chemicals is traded with the Uganda Security Exchange ticker name CQCIL. And for quite some time, Cipla has actually been one of the companies that have made a lot of movements in terms of prices, beginning the year with around 88 Ugandan shillings, and then coming down to around 80 this year, after around 3 months, later on coming to 70, and now at 69. It is one of companies there that actually has a lot of potential, and buyers should actually look out for some of these companies. Cipla Quality Chemicals currently is the most valuable stock on the Uganda Security Exchange, with a market capitalization of over 252 billion Ugandan shillings. That's the current market capitalization of Cipla Quality Chemicals Securities Exchange, and that's about 1.21% of the Uganda Securities Exchange alone. Down to DFCU Bank. DFCU Bank yesterday traded at 550. Well, they didn't have any movements in price, meaning it remained at 550 at the end of the market, just like it was at the beginning. There was no volumes that were traded at Development Finance Company of East African Breweries at 4,389.37, lost about 28.6 Ugandan shillings yesterday, as we have already mentioned. One of the losers there on the market as of yesterday. And Equity Bank Limited was also one of the losers for the day, losing by about 8.81 Ugandan shillings to a price of 1,353 per share as of the close of the market yesterday at 1 p.m. Cash also lost on the market at 8.2 Ugandan shillings and is now trading at 1,258 Ugandan shillings. That is by the close of the market yesterday. Kenya Airways lost by 0.79 Ugandan shillings and traded at 120.51 by the close of the market yesterday. And then down to MTN Uganda at 177.39, actually went up, didn't go down, by about 2.65 Ugandan shillings. And that is one of the stocks that has been actually one of the viewers, and also one of the stocks that people are looking at investing in. And